Hi, this is Jonas from WireFlow again, and we continue to demonstrate the features of the User Access Toolkit. We have basically the same VI as in the last demo, where we can set the minimum and maximum range values, and we generate a number of samples and check whether or not they are in or out of range. I've added another feature. I can select what kind of data I would like to generate, like uniform white noise, Gaussian white noise, sign pattern, or ramp pattern. And now I would like to limit the different types to different kinds of users. And to do that, I can do like this. Again, in the UI update or initialization case, I just add a feature check. And what kind of feature do I have to check? Well, in the user access configuration VI, I have defined all these features, or all these patterns, like Gaussian white noise, ramp pattern, sign pattern, and uniform white noise, and I have enabled them or disabled them for different kinds of users. So admin has access to all, and that is always active. The developer has access to all of them except for the sign pattern. Operator has only access to sign and uniform white noise, and technician doesn't have access to the ramp pattern. So I want to check that and enable or disable the different features in the enum selector. So what I do is I just take and create a property node and get the strings from the enumerated type. Copy this one because I will need it in a minute, because I would like to disable a number of items depending on if the feature is active or not. I put a loop around this one. I would like to check the feature. Let me take the error and check that one. And the disabled features are the features that are not found in the system. So let's enable this with a conditional tunnel and use feature that is not okay. So if feature is not found in the system for this the current user, that will be a disabled item. So if we just run this now, we see that we have check range, we have the different patterns, and I cannot select anything because I'm not logged in. So let's log in as an operator, and now I have access to uniform white noise and sign pattern. If I log in as a developer, I have access to uniform white noise, Gaussian white noise, and ramp pattern. I can also log in as a technician. Sorry. And now I have access to all about the ramp pattern. And as I said, the admin user has always access to everything. So I enable that one, and the admin user has access to everything. So the steps to take if you want to use the feature check is to use the check feature VI from the palettes, where you check, we have a feature input, a feature name input, and you get a boolean out saying if the feature is supported or not. It's just a simple use case when to use the feature check in the User Access Toolkit from WireFlow. Thank you.